Morning students. Today now we are going to topic about fluids. Okay, unit third unit fluids meaning Tamil meaning பாய்மங்கள். First of all, can you understand? You can see the pictures. Okay, a small iron nail sink in water. Various a huge ship of heavy mass floats on sea water. ஸோ அயான் நெய்யில் நம்ம சீ வாட்டரில் போட்டோம்னா ஏன் மிதக்காமல் உள்ள சிங்க் மூழ்குது. அதே சமயத்தில் ஷிப்பு ஏன் அது ஹெவி மாஸ்ன்னு நம்ம நினைக்கிறோம், அது ஏன் மிதக்குது. Okay, so then only astronauts have to wear a special suit while traveling in space. So astronauts ஸ்பேஸுக்கு ரிசர்ச் பண்ண போகும்போது ஸோ அவங்க ஒரு ஆடை அணிவாங்க இல்லையா. ஸோ அது ஏன் அணிகிறாங்க? ஸோ ஆல் திஸ் ஹாவ் எ காமன் ரீசன்ஸ் கால்டு ப்ரெஷர். ஓகே, ஸோ இதுக்கெல்லாம் காரணம் என்ன அப்படின்னு சொன்னால் ப்ரெஷர். ஸோ ஒரு ஆணியினுடைய வெயிட், அதனுடைய மாஸினுடைய மாசு தான் என்ன அப்படின்னா காரணம். ஸோ வெயிட் ஆணிக்கு நெயில் அயானுக்கு என்ன இருக்குது, வெயிட் இருக்குது. ஸோ ஷிப் நோ ஹெவி லெஸ் மாஸ். ஓகே, நோபடி ஷிப்புக்கு வெயிட் கிடையாது. ஸோ நெயில் அயானுக்கு வெயிட் இருக்குது. ஸோ அதனால சிங்கில் என்ன செய்யுது, மூழ்குது. ஸோ இது மூழ்கலை. ஓகே, ஸோ இதுக்கெல்லாம் ஃபார் யூ ரீசன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ப்ரெஷர். ஓகே, தென் ஒன்லி if the pressure increases in solid based on its inherent properties, it is experienced tension and ultimately deforms or breaks. In this case of fluids, it causes them to flow rather than to deform, although liquid and has share some common characteristic. Okay, so they have many distinctive characteristics on their own. Next picture. First of all, sink, an iron nail sink in water, and ship floats on sea water. Okay, so for a reasons an iron nail sink in water because its density is more than that of water. The ship made from ions due to the particular shape given to it displays a large amount of water, so that the buoyant force acting on the ship due to water balance the weight of the ship, hence the ship floats on the water. Can you understand? Next one. Then only topic thirst. Okay, thrust and pressure. Okay, thirst and pressure. What is thirst and pressure? Okay, first of all, pushing a pin into the board by it is head, it's difficult, but pushing it by the pointed end it is easy. Why? Have you ever wondered why a camel can run in a desert easily? Why? A truck or motor bus has wider tire. Why? Cutting tools have sharp edges. So in order to answer these questions and understand the phenomena involved, we needed to learn about two interrelated physical concepts called thrust and pressure. Okay, so physical concept, thrust and pressure. The force applied on surface in a direction perpendicular to the surface. Okay, perpendicular to the surface, this is called as thrust. So force applied on a surface in a direction all sides. Okay, direction all sides to the surfaces. Okay, this is called as pressure. Okay, pressure formula is equal to thirst. Okay, force, thirst, it is a meanings of force and area. Okay, pressure, that is force and area. Okay, next picture. Okay, Pressure in fluids. All the flowing substance, both liquid and gases, are called fluids. Like solid fluids also have weight and therefore exert pressure. When fluids in the container, the pressure of the fluids is exerted in all directions and all points of fluids, since the molecules of the fluids are in constant rapidly motions. Okay, so all the following substance, fourth liquid. Okay, liquid and gas, liquid and gas. The balloon inside full of gas. So pressure, so over pressure, so all direction same. Okay, all direction same pressure. So rapid motions, particles slightly move equally of all direction. Therefore, pressure exerted by the fluids acts on an object for all direction. So fluids force, fluids pressure. Okay, fluids pressure is equal to pressure Fp is equal to force and area. That is total force exerted by the fluid F and area over which the force is exerted A. Total force exerted of the fluids. So total force exerted of fluids and area over which force exerted. Okay, force exerted, that is, this is called as area. So fluids exerted. We shall first learn about the pressure exerted by liquids and then learn about the pressure exerted by gases. Okay, next one, pressure due to the liquids. So force exerted due to the pressure of the liquids bodies submerged in it is and on the walls of the container. It always perpendicular to the surfaces. When you are filled balloon and inside water vessel immediately comes up float on the waters. So this is shows the water exerted pressure in the upward direction. Okay, next one, factor pressure to the liquid columns. A 12 picker to filled with liquid. Okay, so filled with liquid, that is forms of liquid columns. The area's cross section, bottom is bottom sides of A. Then only density liquids is rho. Density liquids is rho. Okay, density. Next one, height. Okay, other depth of water's level surface height. So this formula is already force formulas. Okay, mass m is equal to b rho b. M is equal to rho. Sorry. First of all, last pictures of force. Force equal to mg. Okay, force equal to mg. And mass equal to m rho b. Force equal to force equal to mg is equal to rho a h g. Okay, so apply to the formulas of b is equal to force by A is equal to mg by A. So last pressure is equal to h rho g. The expression shows that is pressure in a liquid column. So it is determined by depth density of the liquid and the acceleration due to the gravity. Interestingly, the final experience for pressure does not have the term area A in it. Thus pressure in liquid depends on the depth only. Okay. Thank you students. Thank you to all.